Hello, welcome back. My name is Leo. I'm here with SKILLSART. Today I'm going to talk about some mistakes that you should avoid to successfully trade. I'm sure you guys know. All right, so one of the things that you should avoid while trading is trying to predict the markets, where it's going to go. And what I mean by this, yes, we want to know what the market is going to do, but you can't trade it based off of a prediction. You want to trade it based off of the flow or what direction it's actually doing or what you're actually seeing on the charts. All right. The reason I say this is because if you trade strictly based off of prediction, or let's say a neighbor or someone tells you, hey, it's going to go to this price, and I believe it's going to go to this price. What if it doesn't? You know, then if it doesn't, then you're going to have ego. They'll kick in, and you don't want ego. And because with the ego, you're going to be like, no, I know for sure that it's going to go to this price. But in the end, it might not. So you'll end up holding the money, and it could get to the point that you just blow up the account because you're like, no, I know it's gonna go this way, I know it's gonna go this way, and it just doesn't. So by avoiding this, just don't trade based off of predictions, right? Just strictly facts and what you see in the charts, and go with the flow. Another thing too you should avoid is overtrading. All right, you don't want to overtrade because this is what happens to a lot of people that, beginners. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsart.com. We have more courses and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Until next time.